Oh shit, we're stuck.
The ever-flowing river. Come with us now to a time before man, when the river flowed through a newborn world, and giants walked the earth. Welcome to Jurassic Park. The ultrasaurs in this lagoon are among the largest creatures ever to walk the earth. Yet despite their awesome size, these gentle giants pose no threat to us. Cetocosaurs, with their curved, parrot-like beaks, are the most primitive of the horned dinosaurs, a group of herbivores that include Protoceratops and the mighty Triceratops. Great armored dinosaurs can often be found among the geothermal formations of steppe soil. Heavy armor plates and spiked tails protect these herbivores from savage predators of their native period. Jurassic Park scientists provide our herbivores with plenty of vegetation from their native periods, ensuring long, healthy lives for these magnificent animals. Next up, tour is Hadrosaur Cove.
Before they get too far! Come back, CP-25!
Evacuated. Stop the boat at the top of the lift and get those people out.
That was fun, man.